What it do? It's your boy Crypto Bro 9000, and I'm back at you with another segment of that OG crypto funk. You hear that? That low constant hum beneath the XRPL? It's not the sound of innovation, it's the sound of the hype machine, and it's shifting gears. Let's pull back the curtain just for a second. You saw it with CTF, the 5,000% pumps, the $748.50 price targets plastered across X by the same faces with the same glitchy videos, the same do your own research, not financial advice disclaimers that read like a legal waiver for a pump and dump. It was a perfect self-contained ecosystem of hype, a closed loop. Ripple XR Pi, Crypto Queen X, Crypto Barbie, the usual suspects. They built the CTF narrative brick by brick. CTF, Crypto Trading Fund. Institutional backing, Amazon partnerships, supply shop. And for a moment, it worked. But then the music stopped. The CTF volume dried up. The next big thing became the last big thing. And the machine, my friends, abhors a vacuum. So it pivoted. Enter BXE. Watch the hands, not the cards. It's the same influencers, the same bios, the same DYOR disclaimers right above $19 to $24 price predictions. It's a copy-paste job with a new ticker. The script just got a rewrite. Instead of rewards, it's decentralized media. Instead of Amazon, it's institutional tokenization. The buzzwords are updated for a more sophisticated audience, but the melody is identical, breaking, looming, before it's too late. It's a classic echo chamber play. The energy didn't organically migrate from CTF to BXC. It was orchestrated when CTF lost its momentum. The hype squad simply rerouted their audience to the next play on the same ledger. This isn't evolution, it's a rotation of promotion. And it tells you everything you need to know about the state of crypto. In a market where real silent utility is being built by XRP with G Treasury and Thunes, there exists this parallel universe of manufactured, loud, and repetitive hype. One is building the financial infrastructure of the next century. The other is running a perpetual self-referential marketing loop. So what's your move? Simple. Recognize the pattern. Understand that the XRPL community has a promotional engine, and that engine needs to be fed. It fed on CTF, and now it's feeding on BXC. That doesn't mean BXC is worthless. It just means that the noise around it is rehearsed. The signal is buried under layers of coordinated, recycled hype. Do what you will. Maybe you play the pump. Maybe you wait for the real utility to shine through the noise. But don't for a second think you're watching an organic discovery. You're watching a well-oiled machine that does what it does best. Create the illusion of a movement, one token at a time. The machine is running. The question is, are you fueling it? Or are you just listening to its hum? Yo, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the perfect time. Share this video because it'll help me with the algorithm. And smash that like button because you know you want to smash. I'll catch y'all in these crypto streets. 9000.